Hello, my dear students. In the last class, we have already discussed about quantum confinement. Today, we are going to discuss about quantum dots. Quantum dots are semiconductor particles a few nanometers in size having optical and electronic properties that differ from larger particles due to quantum mechanics. Semiconductor nanocrystals that are small enough to exhibit characteristically quantum behavior in electronic and optical processes are called quantum dots because of being quantum confined in all three dimensions and having roughly dot or spherical or cubic shapes. The novel properties of quantum dots have been utilized in innumerable fields. Then, what are quantum dots? They are inorganic crystalline nanomaterials made of semiconductor material. Their size ranges from 2 to 10 nanometer. Depending on the size, quantum dots absorb or emit light of different colors. The smaller the nanocrystal, the more considerable the blue shift of the emitted light, whereas the red shift is observed for bigger nanocrystals. Quantum dots can absorb light and convert it into electricity, for example, photovoltaics. But they can also convert electricity into light, diodes and displays. They can also convert one color of radiation into another, for example, in radiation converters. When the quantum dots are illuminated by UV light, an electron in the quantum dot can be excited to a state of higher energy. In the case of a semiconducting quantum dot, this process corresponds to the transition of an electron from the valence band to the conduction band. The excited electron can drop back into the valence band, releasing its energy by the emission of light. The color of that light depends on the energy difference between the conductance band and the valence band. Here, colloidal quantum dots irradiated with a UV light is shown. Different sized quantum dots emit different colors of light due to quantum confinement. Quantum dots have properties intermediate between bulk semiconductors and discrete atoms or molecules. Their optoelectronic properties change as a function of both size and shape. Larger quantum dots of 5 to 6 nanometer diameter emit longer wavelength with colors such as orange or red. Smaller quantum dots 2 to 3 nanometer emit shorter wavelengths yielding colors like blue and green. However, the specific colors vary depending on the exact composition of the quantum dot. Nanoscale semiconductor materials tightly confine either electrons or electron holes. Quantum dots are sometimes referred to as artificial atoms, emphasizing their singularity, having bound discrete electronic state like naturally occurring atoms or molecules. It was shown that the electronic wave functions in quantum dots resembles that one see in real atoms. By coupling two or more such quantum dots, an artificial molecule can be made, exhibiting hybridization even at room temperature. Quantum dots are particularly promising for optical applications due to their high extinction coefficient. They operate like a single electron transistor. Quantum dots have also been suggested as implementations of qubits for quantum information processing and as active elements for the thermoelectrics. Tuning the size of quantum dots is attractive for many potential applications. For instance, larger quantum dots have a greater spectrum shift toward red compared to smaller dots and exhibit less pronounced quantum properties. Conversely, the smaller particles allows one to take advantages of more subtle quantum effects. Being zero-dimensional, Quantum dots have a sharper density of states than higher dimensional structures. As a result, they have superior transport and optical properties. They have potential use in diode lasers, amplifiers, and biological sensors. High-quality quantum dots are well suited for optical encoding and multiplexing applications due to their broad excitation profile and narrow or symmetric emission spectra. The new generations of quantum dots have far-reaching potential for the study of intracellular processes at the single molecule level, high-resolution cellular imaging, long-term in vivo observation of cell trafficking, tumor targeting, and diagnostics. Cadmium selenide nanocrystals are efficient triplet photosensitizers. Laser excitation of small cadmium selenide nanoparticles enables the extraction of the excited state energy from the quantum dots into bulk solution, thus opening the door to a wide range of potential applications such as photodynamic therapy, photovoltaic devices, molecular electronics, and catalysis. Quantum dots have quickly filled in the role, being found to be superior to traditional organic dyes on several counts. One of the most immediately obvious being brightness as well as their stability. It has been estimated that quantum dots are 20 times brighter and 100 times more stable than traditional fluorescent reporters. In biology, there are a number of applications of quantum dots. One of them is that it takes the advantage of the extraordinary photostability of quantum dot probes is the real-time tracking of molecules and cells over extended periods of time. Antibodies, peptides, DNA, nucleic acids, or small molecule ligands can be used to target quantum dots to specific proteins on cells. Another application of quantum dot is the photovoltaic devices. The tunable absorption spectrum and high extinction coefficient of the quantum dots make them attractive for light harvesting technologies such as photovoltaics. Quantum dots may be able to increase the efficiency and reduce the cost of today's typical silicon photovoltaic cells. Another application of quantum dot is in hybrid solar cells. Colloidal quantum dots are also used in inorganic or organic hybrid solar cells. These solar cells are attractive because of the potential for low-cost fabrication and relatively high efficiency. Incorporation of metal oxide such as zinc oxide, titanium oxide, and niobium oxide nanomaterial into organic photovoltaics have been commercialized using full roll-to-roll processing. Another application of quantum dots is in light emitting diode. Several methods are proposed for using quantum dots to improve existing light emitting diode design, including quantum dot light emitting diode displays and quantum dot white light emitting diode displays. Because quantum dots naturally produce monochromatic light, they can be more efficient than light sources which must be color filtered. Quantum dot LEDs can be fabricated on a silica substrate, which allows them to be integrated onto standard silicon-based integrated circuits or micro electromechanical systems. Quantum dots are valued for displays because they emit light in very specific Gaussian distributions. This can result in a display with visibly more accurate colors. A conventional color liquid crystal display is usually backlit by fluorescent lamps or conventional white LEDs that are color filtered to produce red, green, and blue pixels. Quantum dot displays use blue emitting LEDs rather than white LEDs as the light source. Today, we have discussed about quantum dots and its applications. In the next class, we will discuss about nano electronics. Thank you.